Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy YouTube video link to Instagram bio. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to copy YouTube video link and place it to your Instagram bio. Okay, for the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, just open YouTube app. After opening YouTube app, you can find the video you want to copy the link. For example, I choose this video. Just stop the video.
Honey, would you?
And then you can see here there is share button. Just tap the share button. And you will find copy link. Just tap copy link. After copying the link, just open your Instagram app. After opening your Instagram app, just go to your profile picture on the bottom right corner. After opening your Instagram profile, you can see there, just tap edit profile. And you will see here, website. Just paste the YouTube video link here. Okay, just paste here. And then, after pasting the video link, just tap done. And now the YouTube video link has been placed in our Instagram bio. Let's try to open this YouTube video link. Okay, this is the video. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in copying YouTube video link to your Instagram bio. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to Fauhow channel and make sure that you have turned on notifications so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about digital tutorial. Thank you.